Open Chrome, go to your MetaMask plugin and click expand view. Okay, now we want to add uh, Binance Smart Chain contract. Binance, you just search for how to add Binance Smart Chain to MetaMask. Open the article by Binance itself, go down, you can read all of it, and these details we need to fill in. Once you got this, open MetaMask and click on settings and networks, and here add network. Here we need to fill the same details. Let me do that. Smart chain, just copy paste, don't type, even the slightest mistakes will cost you a lot here. Right, save. Congratulations, you just created the Binance Smart Chain. You should see Binance here, and here also you can add any accounts if you want, and your activity, if you buy sell from the MetaMask, the activity can be tracked here. And if you have any doubts, you can contact the help center. Thank you for watching.